Hi guys, welcome to Island Fit Meals, and I'm your boy Chef Walkout. So today we are making green seasoning. Yes, we are. So this is the Island Wok green seasoning. It's also like Trinidadian green seasoning. It's a marinade that I usually do with like whenever I bulk chicken, I make a whole bunch of green seasoning and then marinate all the chicken and then wrap it up and freeze it. It can also be used for grilled meats. So yeah, it's a Trinidadian staple. All Trinidadians have their different versions of green seasoning, and this is mine. So we're gonna start off with the main star for the green seasoning. It's called Shadow Benny, if you can see that. Yep, right there, Shadow Benny. So Shadow Benny, also culantro is another name for it, or in like Chinese store it's called New Gai. So if you go to the Chinese store, you'll see it's basically just Shadow Benny. We also have, so we're going to use one bunch of Shadow Benny. You buy it in a bunch, just one bunch. We have one bunch of green onions, so these are already chopped up and washed. Half a pack of thyme, so the thyme comes in a pack, just use half of it. So we got the thyme over here, if you can see that. We got 3 pimentos, so pimentos they're sweet pepper. It's not really that too hot, but it just gives some flavor. You can find these at like a West Indian grocery store. We got some peeled garlic with the tips cut off. So you can see that. We have half a cup. Cilantro. We got some cilantro. So that's half a bunch of cilantro. And then we got some salt. And we got some black pepper. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons salt and then 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And then we're gonna blend it up. Add a bit of water if needed. So, it's real simple. Get a blender, I have a Vitamix. Add all your ingredients, just like BAM! Just like that. BAM! Ooh, it's the main star. Shadow Benny. Shadow Benny. You're gonna add the thyme. All this, BAM! BAM! Simple as that. 2 tablespoons of salt. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and that's it. Blend that, add some water, blend it. Might need to add more water if needed. In the container. Add some water to this. Half a cup of water, and then yeah. Let it on. One, 2. And then something like this. You can see that. I'm gonna bring the camera down a bit. So that's down. There we go. You can see that. Yeah. Green seasoning. You just put that in a container, put it in the fridge, and that's it. Use it when needed. I usually have a stockpile in my fridge. Green seasoning, and just use it in my different recipes, my different products and stuff. So yeah, put this in a container, refrigerate it. It's good for about a week and a half. And yeah, enjoy guys. See ya.